everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the before and after of this townhouse renovation with you. Now if you don't follow me on Instagram or my blog, then long story short, this townhouse was my starter home when I got married many years ago, and we moved out many years ago and then kept it as a rental property. But now it's time to sell and move on to the next chapter of our lives, but in order to do that, we needed to renovate. So we did hire out the vast majority of the labor just because it wasn't practical logistically for me to come over and do the work while I'm doing digital learning with my kids and all of that. So we did hire most of it out. There were a couple of projects that I did myself and I have videos for those, so I'll link to those in the description box for you. But since we did hire it out, I unfortunately wasn't able to document the day-to-day process. But I'm hoping that showing you the before and after and walking you through will show you the transformation that took place. So if you have any questions for me, leave those in the comment section. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified of my future videos. All right, let's go. All right, we're actually just gonna start right here in the living room. So we realized we had to renovate the place when we walked in for the first time after several years. Since we had the same tenant for many years, we hadn't been in here. We walked in and realized that the overwhelming stench of pet odor meant that we were not gonna be able to salvage the carpet. And we just decided to just do a lot of renovations. So in this room, we replaced the flooring and we painted the walls white, and that's really all we did in here. This is my favorite room in the house just because of all of the natural light that it gets. There are a lot of windows in here and it's just a really, really nice space. We did go with laminate flooring just to save money, but I'm actually really happy with the way this laminate flooring looks. And then of course, just freshening up the walls with bright white paint lightened up the whole space and made a huge difference. There are a lot of memories in this house in general, but definitely a lot of memories in this particular room. My kids learned to walk in this room, my two oldest. One of them took his first steps in this room, so it's a really, really special place. Okay, quick disclaimer, you're gonna notice that I'm magically changing back and forth between outfits, and if you're wondering why, that's because I filmed this over 2 separate days. So just wanted to acknowledge that because it might catch you off guard that I'm just magically changing outfits. So that's why. All right, this is the kitchen. Unfortunately, it was not in our budget to totally gut the space like I wanted to, but we did have the cabinets painted white. We replaced the flooring and we painted the walls white, and that's really all our budget would allow, so we did what we could. Okay, this is the dining room. A lot of memories in here. A lot of meals were eaten in here with toddlers throwing food across the room. In here, we actually kept the chandelier the same. We replaced it when we lived here many years ago. We just decided to leave it, painted the walls white, and replaced the flooring. Okay, this is the sunroom, which leads out to a very small backyard, and then the kitchen is right here. This is actually the space where we would pin our dogs in here whenever we had to leave. So we didn't really use this space for much. It would be a really cute home office or even a small playroom. And in here, we just replaced the flooring and painted the walls as well. We also replaced the ceiling fan. Okay, so this is the downstairs half bathroom. I'm gonna have to insert before and after photos for you because it's such a small space I can't really show you on camera, but we did gut the entire little space. All right, I'm gonna take you upstairs now to check out the bedrooms. All right, so this is one of the 3 bedrooms in the house. We used this space as a guest bedroom, although my oldest son did sleep in here for a while when our second son was born. We had the walls painted white, the flooring replaced, we replaced the ceiling fan, the closet doors, and then we also replaced all of the interior doors in the house. All right, so this is the upstairs hall bathroom. We did have the walls painted white, of course. We replaced the flooring, and then I made over the vanity. I painted the cabinets and refinished the countertop, and then I also refinished the bathtub. And I do have videos for those projects, which I will link for you. Okay, this is another bedroom. This one we used as a nursery. So a lot of memories here. It's bittersweet being here, although it looks totally different now, so it's kind of strange. We actually kept the ceiling fan the same. We should have replaced it, but we're trying to save as much money as possible. We had the walls painted and the flooring replaced, and replaced the closet doors in here. So this is where our baby's crib used to be. I used to rock our babies in the rocking chair right there in that corner. The window overlooks the little backyard, so it's a really cute little room. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, and it's a really good sized bedroom for such a small house. So I really do like this space a lot. It's hard to show the size of it on video or in photos, but it is a good size. We replaced the flooring, painted the walls, and then gutted the entire master bathroom, which I will show you next. Okay, so this is the master bathroom, which we completely gutted. New shower, new tile, new floor, new vanity and toilet. Everything is brand new in here. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour. The exciting news is we are under contract. We close in a couple weeks for over asking price. We actually received multiple offers the first day it was listed, which was really exciting for us, so we're very happy.
And now for the outtakes.
No. Townhouse renovation with you. Now, if you don't, right on cue with the air conditioning. All right, let's go. Realized that we had to. Okay, we're actually gonna. Oh, ooh, shoot. Sorry. What else did I want to say? Placed it when we lived here many years ago. We just First day it was listed was
Thanks so much for watching. You can find me online at erinspain.com and on social media at erinspainblog. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was different than most of my other videos. I will try to link to all the products that I possibly can, as well as related blog posts in the description box. Thanks.